Okay, so this is going to be the first use of my new Dyson V8 cordless vacuum. It's been on charge all night now, so it's fully charged. So we'll give it a go, cleaning the house. See how long it takes, what differences, inconvenience and time, and whether we can do it all on the estimated run times of the machine and how well it picks up. Okay. So it's picked up all the dust in this corner, obviously apart from the edge of the skirting, which I haven't done yet. So not too bad start so far. Right, so let's get on with the rest of the house. Okay, so let's try, see how well it handles some cat biscuits on a solid floor. There we go, so up against the edge. All gone. And so that was the auto block cutout safety feature kicking in, obviously because there wasn't enough airflow through. Okay, so moving the couch away from the wall, obviously the usual place where dust and dirt ends up piling up. And I saw it pick up cat biscuits earlier, but can the soft head hard floor roller pick up a skittle? No. Okay, so this is how much dirt and dust it's just picked up from the downstairs run. As you see doing that, I've used about a third, or I've got 2 lights left on the charge meter, but That's a lot, bearing in mind we hoover and clean pretty much twice a week, so it's done quite well. Now let's see how well we empty it. Okay, so now upstairs is carpet, so we'll be changing the heads. I will do upstairs first, see how well that works, see on the carpet how well the hoover picks up, and what charge and how long it takes me to do. And then I'll have a go at the stairs with the motorised head. Okay, so actually the first challenge I have is with the Dyson V8 handle a rug. Right, didn't go onto it very well, it stopped, but let's see. That was my fault then, I should use my brain. Probably enough to give it a vacuum, just with two hands, and obviously making sure you're holding the rug in the right place. Okay, doing the rug was a little bit of a challenge. I did have to position my feet to keep the rug down, but yeah, it wasn't too bad. And actually, as you see from this is all the dirt and dust that came out of that rug. So, bear in mind that rug is also hoovered once a week as well. So it's done quite well. Okay, now on with hoovering upstairs carpet. It's carpet throughout apart from the upstairs bathroom, which is just a hard floor again. So we've got the hall and 3 bedrooms to hoover. Okay, so that's all the upstairs done. 3 bedrooms and a hall. As you can see, it is full, so I might not have been working to its full efficiency. Need to give that an empty. But it still handled it quite well, cleaned up. As with any hoover, there's still 1 or 2 little bits that get left behind. But that did seem to pick up a lot of the hair fairly quickly. It did make a noise. It might have impeded a little bit of the performance. I think maybe I had to go over upper points a couple of times where I didn't think I would need to, if probably all the hair wasn't in there. So after each clean, you definitely need to probably give it a bit of maintenance. Clean the heads and ensure that that's emptied. But all in all, works very well. Down to 1 light, so hopefully I'll have enough to do the stairs. So I pulled a bit of the hair out, but I'm going to have to take the brush out. But that should be fairly easy. Something there to turn it. Turns easily. And then just pulls out. And just give it a clean. Yeah, like I said, I think the hair impeded a little bit of the performance of the brushes, and as you can see where the hair's wrapped around, it has pulled the brush down. Well, the red, more bristled one's a bit more resilient to it, but the black one definitely has been pulled down, which would reduce the cleaning pickup of the brush head. And as you can now see, the brush head is cleaned of the hair, just a little bit, quite a bit actually, but I guess it's picked up easier than the Henry we were using. So I did also notice you need to probably have a look in here every now and again. There was a little bit of fluff caught down there. Oops, got a bit caught, but I probably should have used the tools to stop that happening. Let's go empty it and then have a go at the stairs. Okay, so I was able to do the entire house, including the stairs, on one charge, and this is just the dirt from the stairs. Again, same with the brush bar of the other one. We'll need to take that out and clean that. Okay, so I found the easiest way to actually undo this is to use a pound coin to turn this part. So it's I've tried using a screwdriver in that previously, but as you can see, it doesn't really fit well. It just scratches it out, so you need to find something which is very similar in size, which a pound coin is. Oops. That's quite a tight fit, so needs a little bit pulling out. And once it's out, it's just removing the hair. There is a little indent in one end of the brush bar, which you might have to pay a bit extra attention to, just to get the hair out from there. Okay. Once that's clean, insert the end, which looks like has a little square hole in it, until it seats back in properly. And then reconnect. Pop it in and turn and lock. And so the motorised hair tool is now clean and free from the built up hair.